Okay, we're gonna go check out the Keerati Homestay Hotel, which is right over here. It's a brown building. Right outside, right inside Soy LK Metro from the Soy Diana. Daily, monthly room, Keerati Homestay. Right beside the Thirsty Camel and bar and Scooters bar. And the Champagne A Go-Go is right across as well. Craft Cottage right across the street as well. There's some good food there. Good beer selection as well. Let's go see if we can see. Go look at that standard room, more superior room. Hello again. Sorry, Cap. I lost my video. I have to do it again. You have a standard room available?
Yes.
800 baht, yeah?
Back half, number 311.
Okay. Can I have a look? Can I have a look then?
You look now?
Yeah, I'll look.
And for
311.
this up, but inside 311 inside there.
Okay.
40.
800 baht, yeah? Alright, let's go have a look at the standard room. 800 baht. Keerati Homestay Hotel. So this is the second floor. Said it's on the third floor, so here's the third floor. Let's see if it's over here. No, not this way, it's on the other side. You gotta walk further down. It's over here, yeah. So there's no elevator, it's all staircases. And if you stay here, you could use the pool at the Metro pool and the gym as well. Which is just right across. 309, 308, 311. Turn on the light here first. If it works. It's not working again. She told me I have to do this. Open these up first. Yeah, pain in the ass. Okay, so here's a Metro pool. Okay, Metro right over here, right across. And so you use the pool and the gym as well if you stay here. And if you stay back here, you don't hear the noise as much, probably at all. If you stayed in the front, obviously you're gonna hear all the noise from Soy LK Metro. So here's the room here, standard room. So you got the big fridge here. Looks like a king size bed or a queen size bed. Bathroom here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Cool looking shower. It's like outside almost, basically. Big shower. So you get water. Safety deposit box is downstairs. It's not in the room. Small little flat screen TV. And your basic closet here for your clothes and bags, whatever. So this is the standard room. Free Wi-Fi, air conditioner. It's like an older style aircon unit. So I know I stayed here a long time ago when it was brand new and it used to be good, but you know it's quite old now. So I mean, that's don't know why it doesn't work, man. Okay. Okay, so standard room, 800 baht. And I think she told me last time I was here, she said that if you come here in high season, she says right now it's not high season. December is like the real high season. Prices go up. I'm gonna ask her how much it cost if you stayed here in December. Get down there. Confusing. Thank you. So if you stay in that room in high season, which is December, it's more money, you said?
High season.
How much?
800 baht.
Oh, well, how much is it now? How much is it now?
Now 600 baht.
Oh, 600 baht. Okay.
And next month, December.
Yeah, 800 baht.
75.
Yeah.
For January, 800 baht. And February, down 600 baht.
Oh, okay.
Up for 1 month.
Do you have monthly rates as well?
And
Like per month, how much? For 1 month?
for 1 month, small room, 15,000.
50,000.
Yes.
Oh, it's expensive. Is that including electric?
Electric 1 unit 8 baht.
Oh.
Free water. Electric, you don't pay I for 1 month, I think 2,000 baht.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's expensive. Okay. Thank you very much.
And December,
Yeah.
small room, full na, don't have the superior.
Superior.
Yes. And small
Superior room is how much?
Start 1,500 baht.
Oh, 1,500
And
baht.
now 900 baht.
900 baht right now. Okay. Okay, cup and cup. Thank you for letting me. Thank you. Shakti. Yeah, so if you go around the corner here, the pool is just right over there. Straight down there. And it's a decent pool. So it's nothing special, but it's good enough. There you have it. My hotel review by Pattaya Thailand. Thank you, and please subscribe to Pattaya Thailand. Cheers.